sets Troy Preschool apart is our connection to Troy School District. Not many places can say that they're embedded in the high-quality, world-class work that's happening throughout the entire K-12 system in Troy, and we're doing it at the preschool level. We invest in our teachers. We make sure that they're able to meet each child individually where they are, creating the relationship with each child and making sure that each child is challenged and feels supported and loved in this environment, and Troy is really an exceptional place for that to happen. The theme of celebration keeps coming back to me. Celebrating a child's first, their first time in school, their first favorite teacher, their first class picture, their first time writing their name, and all their first accomplishments. This building is in itself a celebration. It's evidence that Troy School District is invested in early childhood and in providing a world-class environment for our youngest learners. And we've designed it with young children in mind, from every piece of furniture, every selection of material, the classroom circle windows that are at the child's height, and everything being just completely designed with the child's point of view in mind. We are taking the steps every single day to make sure that the environment is safe and clean and ready for children.
The Clorox 360 machine is very efficient, effective. The beauty about it is we don't have to go underneath. The electrostatic shock does that for us. It disinfects. If something happens, somebody's sick, we can come in, wipe it down, use the Clorox 360 machine, and almost instantly you can bring people back into the room.
You love your child so much and you want them to be safe. You're working so hard to keep them safe at home, and then sending them off to a space you have to trust where they're going. And that's what's most important right now. That's what's most important to us, and that's why we're working so hard to communicate to parents the measures that we're taking of safety and that guarantee that they would be in the same care and love that they would have at their home. Our buildings are clean, we've got safety measures in place, our teachers are excited, so families, we're ready for you.